Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. Today I am going to discuss about summary of life-changing book. Book name is The Law of Success by Napoleon Hill. This book is very helpful for achieve success in every area of your life. This book basically consists 16 lessons. One by one I will discuss about each lesson. So let's start it. First lesson, mastermind. What does mean by mastermind? Mastermind develop with cooperation of two or more person. Okay, mastermind develop with cooperation of two or more person. Okay, because one person cannot have all knowledge and experience, so it is very necessary two or more person work together and use their knowledge and experience. Okay, second chapter, a definite chief aim. Author says that we must have definite chief aim of our life, but question is that how to make our aim into reality, how to make. For this, author suggests 3 steps. First step is write. First most important step to convert your aim into reality is that write about your goal, what you want to achieve in your life, write about it. Okay, second most important step, write your trade. What does mean write your trade? It means that write about that you are willing to exchange for your goal. Okay, write about that you are willing to exchange for achievement of your goal. For example, your time, your money, your hard work, your sleep, or something else. What you are willing to give, what you are willing to exchange for achievement of your goal, because it is very important to write some sacrifice for your better future. Okay, then third step is that repeat your goal at least 12 times in the day. Okay, remind yourself about your goal until you obsessed for its achievement. Okay, this is 3 steps if you want to convert your aim into reality. Okay, then third lesson is self-confidence. Okay, you must have believe in yourself, but most of the time we have lack of confidence because of so many fears. Because of so many fears, we have lack of confidence. Author says that you can get rid of this irrelevant fear by auto-suggestion. Okay, what does mean by auto-suggestion? Auto-suggestion means use positive affirmation, set new belief about yourself, or imagine your success, imagine your desired state. By doing that, you will see your confidence will increase. Okay, then next chapter, habit of saving. Author says that everyone must have a habit of saving. According to this book, we must save 20% of our total income. Okay, in next chapter, initiative and leadership. What does mean by initiative and leadership? Initiative means that start work independently, and leadership means influence other with your charm. Okay, so that other will inspired by you. Okay, for getting success, leadership is required, leadership is necessary, or for getting leadership, initiative is required. So you must have initiative and leadership. Then next chapter, imagination. What does mean by imagination? Imagination is ability to create pictures in your mind. Author says that you should imagine your goal, you should imagine how you are achieving your success, how you are achieving your goal. Okay, in next lesson is enthusiasm. What does mean by enthusiasm? Okay, when we become passionate about our goal, and with this passion we don't care about sleep, we are ready to work with less amount of sleep. This is our passion about our goal. Okay, author says that at the same time you should protect yourself with fake enthusiasm. Fake enthusiasm is very harmful, so you should protect yourself with fake enthusiasm. Okay, then self-control. Enthusiasm motivate us for move. On the other hand, self-control tell us stop or change direction. Self-control work lies a balance wheel. self control protect us with over enthusiasm. Self control protect us with fake enthusiasm. Okay, that's why self control is work like a balance wheel. Okay, in next chapter, habit of doing more than paid for. You must select work that you love, because if you select work that you love, you will not worry about payment. If you show your desire for working more, you will stand out from crowd. Okay, in next chapter, pleasing personality. Okay, neat and clean personality make all differences. Okay, neat and clean appearances make all differences, and nobody like to talk with ill mannered person, so you must carry pleasing personality. Okay, then accurate thought. In this chapter, author says that we should classify between important fact and unimportant fact. We must classify important fact and unimportant fact. Only use those fact that is necessary for your goal achievement. Okay, then author says that in next chapter, concentration. Okay, concentration means focus on one subject at one time. Okay, with your laser beam focus, your success will faster, so you must focus on one subject at one time. Okay, in next chapter, cooperation. You must believe in teamwork. Okay, then 14 chapter, failure. You first of most important thing, temporary defeat is not your failure. Temporary defeat is not your failure. Okay, and you can learn lesson from your temporary defeat. You can learn from temporary defeat which technique will work or which technique will not work. You can learn from your temporary defeat, or your temporary defeat is not your failure. Okay, then tolerance. You must have tolerance, because intolerance will poison in your mind. Intolerance will poison in your mind, and intolerance make enemies. Those must have our friend. That's why we require tolerance. Next and last chapter is golden rule. After learning about all this chapter, you must remind one golden rule: do for other as you expect others should do for you. Okay, this golden rule make impossible for you to be selfish and greedy. Okay, this is about quick summary of Law of Success book. I think you got understood. Thank you.